Some lawmakers want to investigate how telecommunication companies implement the provisions of the Free Mobile Disaster Alerts Act. Nel Maribojoc will tell us why.
Bayan Muna Representative Carlos Zarate has filed a resolution in the lower house to investigate the telecommunications company if they are doing their mandate under the Republic Act No. 10639 or the Free Mobile Disaster Alerts Act. As the principal author of the said legislation, Zarate argues that NDRRMC and telcos should strictly adhere with the provisions of the said law, like in the past when only a few reportedly received text alerts during the onslaught of Super Typhoon Lawi last October. Under the Free Mobile Disaster Alerts Act, telcos are mandated to send alerts or information regarding calamities or incoming typhoon to their subscribers who might be affected by the calamity. Ako Bicol Party List Representative Alfredo Garbin did not receive text alerts regarding the typhoon. Garbin is currently in Bicol, thus he wants to raise the issue once the deliberations on the renewal of telcos franchise begin.
Smart, we already approved them of third and final reading sa House. But yung Globe pending pa rin yung kanilang franchise. So isama na rin natin sa pag-imbestiga during the deliberations on the applications of their franchise. So sama natin.
Telecom companies who will be proven violating the provisions of the Free Mobile Disaster Alerts Law will be fined up to 10 million pesos and suspension or revocation of their respective franchise or permits. Nel Maribojoc, UNTV News and Rescue, House of Representatives.